Before hooks, functional components were stateless. useState changed everything. Let's see how to update state the modern way. The useState hook is the primary way to manage state in functional components. You call it with an initial value and it gives you back the current state and a function to update it. Import it from React, then declare your state variable. Here we create a count state initialized to 0. useState returns an array with exactly 2 elements. The first is your current state value. The second is the setter function. We use array destructuring to grab both in one line. The convention is to name the setter with the word set followed by the state variable name. When you call the setter function, React schedules a re-render of your component. The component function runs again, but this time useState returns the updated value. This is how your UI stays in sync with your data. Every state change triggers a fresh render cycle. For updates based on the previous state, pass a function to the setter instead of a value. This ensures you're working with the latest state, especially important when updates happen rapidly or asynchronously. The function receives the previous state and returns the new state. useState is your go-to for state in functional components. Import it, destructure the array, and use the setter to trigger re-renders. Practice this pattern and you'll handle state like a pro. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.